Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create affiliate marketing websites in Google Sites. So the first step is to go to Google Sites, then you'll have to simply click on blank site, or if you want you can use any of these templates. But for this tutorial I'm going to create a blank site, and then here you'll have to enter your page title, and as you can see on the right side you can add content. Now at the top you can give it a title, so I'm gonna give it the title like affiliate marketing website, so I know what this is all about. Now what you'll have to do is simply choose any of the affiliate networks that are available. So as you can see there are many. So as you can see we have CJ Affiliate, we have Impact, we have ClickBank, and we have Amazon.com. So you can use Google Sites to promote Amazon products, and when someone buys something of Amazon, you get a small commission. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use ClickBank because ClickBank allows you to use it right after you create your account. Some of them, like Amazon, you need to be verified before you can use it and start promoting affiliate links to your website. So when you go to clickbank.com and create your account, you're gonna see all these offers here. So as you can see on the left side, you have different categories. So as you can see, you have from sports to fitness to health. As you can see, you can choose any of these. So as you can see here, we have different products, and here you can see how much we can earn of this product. So we can scroll down and choose any of these. So as you can see here, we can scroll and we can choose any of these. So let me change the category to business and marketing. And here I'm gonna choose this one here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And now if we want to promote something, we'll have to simply click on promote here. Then here we'll have to create a nickname account. So here we're gonna have to create a nickname in order to use ClickBank. So I'm gonna create this nickname here. I'm gonna choose the account type here. You'll have to select affiliate and then click on sign up. And now we can go back to ClickBank here, and then we can go to the affiliate marketplace, and now we can choose any of these products. So I'm gonna go with the top offers. Then I'm gonna go to e-business and e-marketing, and then go here and click on promote. And then here I have to simply choose my nickname here, and then I'm gonna create a hop link. And with this hop link, I can use it on my Google site website and promote it. And basically when someone clicks on it, I get get a sell, I get a commission of these products. I'm gonna copy this. Now let's go back to Google Sites. Here we'll have to edit our website. So here we'll have to enter a title. Here you can enter whatever you want, and you can add the images if you want. So as you can see, we can insert text boxes here, and we can add basically whatever we like. So we can go to images. Here we can select. So I'm gonna use Google Images, and here if you want you can upload your own images, but I'm gonna use Google Images. And as you can see, I can add any images. Then what we'll have to do is simply add a call to action, that is a button that will allow people to click on it and basically go to the affiliate links. I'm gonna enter the name here. So let's say click here, and then here we'll have to enter our link, our affiliate link, then click on insert, and we have here our button, and we can place it right here. And here we can add a short description. So here you can add some text and place it here. Now another thing that you can do is basically you can go on and search for YouTube videos and basically search for something related to your product. So let's say you want to promote a fitness product or a health product. So let's search for something in the health niche. So I can show you everything about. So let's go back here. And let's say we have this product here. So let's choose this one here. So we have Pura Vibe, this one here. So let's copy this. And then here, we're gonna enter here and then simply type in review. And as you can see here, we have different videos that we can use on our Google site website. So let's copy this video link. Now we can go here to Google Sites and we can click on embed and then here enter the link, and here you can insert the video, and basically people will be able to view the product review, and then they can buy your product. So they can buy the product of your link. So this is very important. So you'll have, don't forget to click on promote, and then here you'll have to create your hop link, and then you'll have to go back to Google Sites, click on the button. This is very important. So you have to add the button and make sure to paste in the link, and then here you'll have to add some text, then update it, and here of course you'll have to make the website related to your product. So if you promote something about health or fitness, you'll want to add something, some images, some text related to that niche. So let's add some images here. So let's add this image here. So you'll have here plenty of tools to customize your website. So as you can see, you can add buttons, you can have a table of contents, you can add image carousels if you want, you can add placeholders, you can add YouTube videos, and much more. You can integrate the Google Sheets or Google Docs into your Google Sites website. Then after you made your changes and you're done with the website, what you'll have to do is simply click on publish here at the top. Then here you'll have to simply enter the web address. So you'll have to create your own custom web address, or if you want, you can basically you can connect an existing domain, but I'm gonna enter something related to this product, health products for everyone. And as you can see, Google will let us know if the domain is available. So this will be our domain that we can use right away. So this is very good that we have a custom domain available basically for free. And here, if you want, you can request public search engines to not display my site. So I'm not gonna enable this because I want people to find my website when they search on Google, and then simply click on publish, and basically that's all. So now we have our website. So basically now if someone goes to this URL link, basically they will access our website. So let's copy this. Now let me open an incognito tab to see. So as you can see, now we can use our website, and now if we click on buy now on the button, we'll get redirected to the product page, as you can see. So now if we buy this product, we're gonna receive a commission on ClickBank. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.